Welcome to Photoshop 2024. In this video, we will learn how to use anchor point to rotate image in Photoshop. So, first, transform the image. To do this, press the Ctrl+T from the keyboard. The image has been transformed. Now go to the toolbar above. Click on the toggle reference point. Now place the mouse pointer where you want to place the anchor point. Then hold down the Alt key from the keyboard and click here. Then rotate the image. Thanks for watching the video.